Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have some great news to share with you. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, or whether you're new to me, back in 2020, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. And so I went through all my treatments and everything, of course, during the pandemic. But I am a survivor. I have my shirt on. It says Survivor and Stain One. So because of that, I just, I had to take medication for 5 years, and I just finished the last of my chemo medication. So yay, time to celebrate. So, there's a lot of resources out there for women that are going through it. Unfortunately, I was not able to benefit because of the pandemic. So everything I had to do, I did alone, and there weren't groups, support groups or such. But anyway, I am a big supporter of Susan G. Komen Foundation. I've been supporting it for years. I mean, since my children were little. My mother-in-law had breast cancer. My sister-in-law had breast cancer. No one in my family ever had it until me. So it was caught early, and like I said, I went through my treatments and did everything, and I just finished. So I'm telling you to go get a mammogram because it saves lives. So I know it's a dreaded thing. I have to go every year, even more so now, but make it a day. Grab your girlfriend. You guys all schedule yours together. Go get those done, go out and have lunch afterwards, and just make a fun day of it, not a dreaded day of it. So anyhow, I usually do a breast cancer fundraiser during the month of October, since October is breast cancer awareness. But this year in October, I'm going to be extremely busy. So I am going to do my fundraiser now, and I'm doing it a little different. So right now we have this stamp set, Love and Courage, and Stampin' Up! For every set that is ordered, will donate $3 to the Breast Cancer Foundation that they support. But what I'm going to do, for any $40 purchase that you make in my online store, you're going to get a package of 5 cards that are using the Love and Courage stamp set. I love the sentiments on here. Did you know that 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer? So that means you know somebody who's been through it, going through it, may be diagnosed. These cards give them support. If you don't want the Love and Courage pack, you can get a mystery pack. I won't show you a mystery pack of cards, which will be all occasion cards, so different sentiments and occasions. And with your $40 purchase, if you add this Love and Courage stamp set to your order of $40, I'll send you the PDF to the cards that I'm sending you. These ones, the Love and Courage ones. So that way, if you get this, you can make more of these. So let me show you these ones. All right, and the first one uses the sunflower embossing folder. I'm sorry, it's like super hot. I have a fan on behind me, and I'm still hot. So this is the first one, and I did like the sandpaper on it to bring out that white. I used the two-tone cardstock. And this one is one of the stamps. I use Strawberry Slush and Shy Shamrock, and of course I put the ribbon on the inside. This one I used that flower embossing folder again, the sunflower embossing folder, and then I did that stamp, but I only stamped the half, and then I stamped Hope, and then I fussy cut it. And then on the inside, yours will not have the circle. I made a boo-boo, so I put a circle on it, but yours is gonna have that sunflower at the bottom. And then it's okay not to be okay. And then again, here's a Petunia Pop one with that same, and in the bottom, I put a couple of hearts in there that match the designer series paper. And then here's another one that says, friends don't let friends fight cancer alone. And then again, it's okay to not be okay. So these will be the 5 cards that you'll receive if this is the option you choose with your $40 purchase. And envelopes will be included. They are packaged up for you. So you have the option of this one, and I'm not going to show this one, is a mystery pack. So after you place your order, I will email you and I will ask you which option you want. And if you did add this to your order, I will email you the tutorial. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna run this from now, which is September 14th through, let's say, I don't have a calendar. Let's say October 15th. I'll do it for 1 month. And, you know, you can get these cards and have a, help a good foundation. And I forgot to tell you, so when you place your $40 order, 25% of my sales will go to the Susan G. Komen Foundation. I think I forgot to mention that. So 25% of all of my gathered sales from the $40 purchases will be going to Susan G. Komen. And if you have any questions about that foundation, let me know and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Okay, so go grab your girlfriends and make a day of mammograms and fun times. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.